Hello to all my fellow 6th grade science students. Today I am using what is called Screencast-O-Matic. I'm going to jump to that tab right now. I encourage you also to use it as I go through some of the items that I posted in my lesson plan. If you feel intrigued to video your labs that possibly you conduct and share them with me, this is a great tool to use to do that. Again, it's called Screencast-O-Matic. So again, I'm sorry, back to my main focus today is to go through the lesson plan, the lesson template that I created for you very quickly. Clearing up some tabs here. To access that, all you have to do is go to ogdenschools.org and you will find the link on the homepage called Voluntary Educational Enrichment Opportunities. And then click on the grade level. So this is awesome. This has elementary through 12th grade. Click on, since I'm a middle school science teacher, I'm going to click on my domain and scroll down and find the teacher that you're looking for. So that is how you get to this page right here, the teacher templates. So you can notice that I have a few words that are linked, and I have other directions where it's not linked, where you would use your STEMscopes curriculum, your online STEMscopes curriculum. That is also easy to gain access to by going to ogdenschools.org, going back to our school website, going down here to quick links for students, click on class link. It's going to take me right in, but when you get to this welcome to class link, you guys have used it often enough, it would prompt you to log in with Google. If you're not on a Chromebook, if you're not on Chrome, the browser Chrome, then it's more than likely going to prompt you possibly to put in your username and your password. But then again, all we do is click on STEMscopes and it takes us to our online curriculum. So the first thing that you'll notice is I have our textbook, our STEMscopedia. That is right here. Now I want to make mention that this is going to look different, and you guys are used to this, being in class and working through STEMscopes, that this is my view. This is the teacher view. So we're remaining at this time in physical and chemical properties. This is possibly you still see the highlighted information. We highlighted that, placed that into our notebooks to be successful on our reading quiz that we completed before spring break. The next thing underneath resources I've moved is a first link. This is a lab that I found. It's titled Connecting with Your Child. These are some simple household items that I'm confident that you have. You simply take those and you work through the procedures. Again, doing this stuff to support our answer, how can we tell if chemical reactions have occurred? The next thing to support our essential question is a video, as it says here in my lesson template. It is found in STEMscopes. So I'm going to open that up on my side. And I'm just asking that, again, you watch this video to gain more evidence to answer our essential question. And then lastly is Fizzing Fireworks. Again, that's a link. So I just click it and open it. Contact paper. Contact paper is more than likely something that you do not have around the house. So simply substitute aluminum foil, wax paper, probably a material that's more heavy duty than like a napkin. A paper plate would honestly probably work too. Vinegar and baking soda. I hope you're making some predictions. You guys are probably very familiar with the reaction that you're going to get when you mix vinegar and baking soda. Again, I would love to see some of the Screencast-O-Matic videos or YouTube videos shared with me. That would be great. And then lastly, answer the essential question. In Google Classroom, here it is right here. This happens to be 6th period's Google Classroom. If you would like, I can jump over to 8th period. You guys are very familiar with those and do an awesome job working through Google Classroom. So again, that is all that I wanted to go through today. I look forward to using this tool, this video tool, to have more discussions with you, answer questions as we go through. My intent and my purpose is to conduct some demonstrations from home through using this video tool and posting those, either email, but more than likely using Google Classroom. Keep that consistent moving forward. Take care of yourselves. I miss you. I wish with everything that I was in the classroom and interacting and teaching you. Have a great week. Make it a great day.